In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the error message, the code execution cannot proceed because Steam API was not found. So in order to fix this, it's actually nice and simple. You just need to head over to an internet browser. And from here, we're going to type in steam_API64.dll followed by space download and then hit enter. Then right at the top, you'll see this dll-files.com website. Click on this. And as you can see, this is for people specifically missing this file. So what you need to do is just scroll all the way down to the bottom, and then we're going to click on this download button here. Once the file is downloaded, you need to open up the zip file, and then from here you need to extract this DLL file over to your desktop. So I'm just going to click on the navigation and select extract all, and then I'm going to go and save this over to my desktop and press extract. Then what you need to do is head over to your desktop, and we're going to locate this steam API.dll file, and then you need to right click on it and select the copy button. Then finally you're going to head over to your file explorer, scroll all the way down to Windows and double click on this, scroll all the way down again until you see System32 and double click this, and then in this folder we just need to right click on the white space, and then you're going to press the paste icon to paste this file. And if you get the security message pop up, press continue. And then once you've pasted the file inside of this folder, you then need to click on the back arrow, scroll all the way down to syswow64 and double click this. And once again, we're just going to right click on the white space and press the paste icon, and once again press continue. And then once you have the file in both of these two folders, you can close out of this window, and that should have now fixed any error messages. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.